Okay. Sorry. If you are finished and you are looking for some form of extra credit, in addition to this weekly extra credit, I can't stop moving my person. There it goes. We can work on this in code.org. So if I come over here and I'm looking for where this lesson exists under courses, I think it's under projects actually. It's called Weblab. So these are all my projects. If you want to start a new project and look at what all the projects are, there it is, Beyond Blocks. It's called Weblab. So you have to find Weblab on code.org. This is practicing for what we are going to get into next week, which is the HTML coding. They'll give you a basic website design right here on the left-hand side. They give you 2 pages, your index and your style. So right here is your index. You can type into this section some tags. So let's start with one called H1. Okay, if you hit enter right now, no, it doesn't do it. H1 and then the caret, and then you're going to type your name on this. So I'm typing mine. You are going to type yours. And then in H1 like that, you'll type that same symbol. And you'll see that your name should appear on your website over here on the left-hand side or right-hand side. The next thing you're going to type is underneath that, hit enter. You're going to hit that caret again, P, and I think if you select, nope, it doesn't work. I thought if you selected it, it would help you. But you're going to have to close it yourself. And this is going to be where you type a paragraph about yourself. So type some information about yourself. I am a STEAM teacher at Sam's. Type like 4 sentences. I have 3 kids. I now have a cat. I like to hike. So very basic, just 4 sentences. And at the end of that, you're doing that backslash with the P again. Okay, and you should be able to see now your code appears over here. Your paragraph appears. Okay, so next thing that we're going to do, you're going to type an image. We want to put an image in. So you first have to find an image from your computer, upload a file. So you have to have saved something. I happen to have, I think it's the books I've read I have somewhere. I thought I saw downloads. I thought I had them in here. I think it's under like May, I think. Anyway, find a picture. Oh, there it is, May. This one. I'm going to upload this one, my May PNG. It just has to be a JPEG or PNG file. Upload it until it says it's there. Mine's called may.png. So you're going to come on that line, hit enter again. So I'm now on line 9. I'm going to type IMG. And then I wish you could. No, we can't get that. IMG SRC equals the quotation marks. And in between those, you can see it picks that one. Oh, there, I double tapped it and it came up. And then I'm going to close like that. Okay, and there comes my books that I read in May. Okay, so your image should then appear. I'm going to come in before that, and I'm going to give a heading to that picture. So whatever you happen to have there as a picture, it might be a picture of shoes. I don't care. I'm going to put, here are the books I read in May. H2 is what I'm using to do that. So that's like a heading. Okay. Don't worry about the size of that. But here are the books I read in May. Okay. I'm going to pause for a minute on the HTML. I'm going to switch to this other document called Style CSS because I want to fix some of these things. So I'm going to come in here. After the lines they already have there, hit enter. I'm going to type, I want to fix that image and make it smaller in my case. You might not have to. I'm going to change the width. I wonder if it's, oh yeah, if you double tap on the suggestion, it comes up. That's what it does. 300 px. There, I made it much smaller so that it looks better. Okay. So you can play around if you want to change the size of your image depending on what size you inputted it as. I used that to change the size. I want to make my name a lot bigger. That's my H1. Remember, in my index, my name was on that H1 line. So in my style, I'm going to come in here to my H1. I want to change the font size. It doesn't say font size yet. Font size. There it is. Double tap. And maybe 100 px. There, it's much bigger. I also want to center it. Center. There you go. Maybe I want to make it your favorite color. So color. Mine's green. That didn't, oh, I didn't end I need a semicolon there. There we go. Maybe I want the background not to be white. Maybe I want it to be, I want it to be a different shade of green. So I'm actually going to Google, it's called hex codes. You can open hex codes. I'm going to do greens just for fun. I'm going to steal, maybe I want, oh, I like these colors. So I need this number down here. So I'm going to go with 6, what is it? 6B, got to remember it, 6BAF92. 6BFA92. 6BFAE92. Hashtag 6FB. AE92. I don't think that's right. It's not. Let me come back and look at what color that was. 6BAF. BAF. 6BAF. 6BAF. 92. No. Still not the right letters, Miss Watts. 6BAF92. Hashtag. I thought I got that. I thought that's what I typed. Maybe it's not recognized. 6BAF9. So that's not working. Let's see why that's not working. Let's put green. Just curious. Light green. So none of that is working for the color of the body, which is interesting. Body. Oh, there it appeared. I don't know why. Took a minute till it uploaded, saved, and refreshed. So there's screen. I wonder if now it would work if I typed that in. Hashtag 6BAF92. There it came. I don't know why it took a minute for it to come up the first time. So there it is. That's the color I like better. And you can play around if you want to do more, but this would be enough to get you extra credit. You can put a border around your image if you want. That would be kind of fun. Border. And you can put 2 pixels, solid white, and the semicolon. And you could make it bigger because I can see it appeared, but it's super thin. So 5 pixels or 8, 9 pixels there. That's kind of nice. You can, what else could you do? It's kind of a good start. If you wanted to type more in your paragraph, you could, or add another image. But that's pretty good to get you some extra credit points and to play around. If you have any questions, feel free to put a hand up, but this is good practice for Monday. Or Tuesday. Have a great Labor Day, and I will see you after the break.